Hello lovely. In this video I'll show you how to link your website and social media accounts with your YouTube channel. This is something I need to do for my Travel with Lady travel blog and my Grow with Lady YouTube account, but because I have everything established for Travel with Lady, at least more things established than I do for Grow with Lady, we're going to use the Travel with Lady YouTube channel. Are you confused yet? You're doing a lot with Lady. But we're going to use this channel to show you how to do this because I have more things established for this, even though I just started 2 months ago. So when you're logged into your account and you're here on your YouTube homepage, click the About button right here. And this shows your stats and when you joined and your location. It'll have a lot more if I added a lot more. But what we want to do is click Customize Channel. So when you click Customize Channel, this gives you the option to start editing certain things. So here, channel description, you want to put something about your channel, what you offer, so that your viewers know what they're getting out of being part of your community. Okay, I didn't put much in there just because I don't want to waste too much of your time, but right now I have Ready for an Adventure, join Lady as she shares with you her tips and trips for traveling. Next, we're going to go into the details. This is where you can add your social media and different things like that. So if people have business inquiries, the email address that they can email me at is hi@ladymora.com. This is Travel with Lady. hi@travelwithlady.com. Perfect. Click done, and here is the location. I am in the United States. Next are the links. So we can choose how many. So in this banner here, we will have our links show up in the bottom right hand corner. So this number chooses how many we want to show up. We can either have none of them show up, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Let's see how many we're adding, and then from there we'll determine how many we want to show up. So let's click add, and next what you want to do is on the left side name the link, and on the right side enter or type the link to where you want to send your viewer. So for the first example, I have Instagram on the left and the link to my Instagram account on the right, so that when my viewer clicks on it, they will get sent straight to my Instagram account, Pinterest, Facebook, free cruise packing list, or the blog. And your pro tip for this video is if you want to get your links to show up with the cute little icon like the Instagram icon or the favicon for your blog or website, then you have to put your links in this format with the https://www. and then type in the address. Some of the ones I put in here didn't actually have that, so they didn't show up with the little icons, but we want icons because then people will know what they're clicking. What I like to do is, because I've messed up before and typed the wrong thing, is I'd like to take all of these and test them out to make sure that their links actually work, because the last thing you want is to get people on your, ooh, hello new followers. Lovely to see you here. So the last thing you want to do is to get a bunch of people to your YouTube channel clicking on your links and they don't work. That is a little embarrassing and a little unfortunate because that means they were interested and just didn't make it through. Everything works. We're golden. After seeing how things look in the top right corner under my banner, I wanted my free cruise packing list to show the full text so that my viewers know exactly what they're getting when they click on it. So I did rearrange things around so that my free cruise packing list was first, so that would show up. And now you can see when you hover over the different icons, the text correlating to that icon will show. And congratulations, you set up your YouTube About section. You should give yourself a huge pat on the back. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're loving these tips, because I am loving sharing them with you. And make sure to watch the rest of this YouTube playlist.